This is stock number C800698. It is a 2010 Toyota Tundra. It has a 5.7 liter engine V8 with the 4x4. It has upgraded fog lamps in the front, running daytime lights. There's just a couple little scratches here on the bumper. It has 17-inch alloy rims with Bridgestone tires and analog brakes. It is a double cab. There are no scratches on this side. Has a gray cloth interior. No stains there. Everything looks good. It does also have the upgraded tow package. Has the 6.5-foot bed. Got some scratches down on the bed. It's been used. No dings or scratches down this side. Has heated mirrors. Power locks and windows. Lots of cup holding space. Power mirrors. Manual seat adjustment. Center console. Lots of room for things. And it folds up into a third seat. Lots of room for your passenger. Dual climate control. AM/FM stereo CD. You also have an auxiliary port. You have cruise control. You also have a remote keyless entry. Go ahead and starts up, no problem. Got 12,000 miles. Also have a clock up here. Alright, let's go take a look at that engine. Engine. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us at toyotabutte.com.